Mira cómo ha subido tierra para arriba, ¿ves? Ay, mi madre.
A tornado struck several rural areas in the province of Artemisa, severely impacting the towns of San Antonio de los Baños and Güira de Melena. Images shared on social media showed a funnel forming and touching the ground, accompanied by strong wind gusts, fallen trees, and displaced objects.
No griten.
Eyewitnesses reported a rumbling sound, roofs being torn off, and severe damage to homes and agricultural buildings, sparking panic and uncertainty in the community. The event occurred amid unstable atmospheric conditions, typical of the rainy season affecting western Cuba. Although no casualties have been reported, local authorities and the Meteorological Institute are expected to issue an official statement along with a preliminary damage assessment in the coming hours.
Güira de Melena. Increíble radio nube esa, a ver. Miren eso. Eso está metido dentro del pueblo.